day late and $1 short, but I got the package from German Auto Engineering or German Auto Solutions. It's something like that. German Auto, yeah, gas. So German Auto Solutions. It is these monoball lower control arms. You can see the blue in there. Did I get hardware too? I think I got hardware. Is the hardware wrapped up in there? I don't know. Let's read this paper. It says yep, add OEM hardware, 2 bolts and 2 nuts. Wait, $30 bumbuckler dollars. God damn. Might be wrapped up in there, but let's check and see if anything is. Yeah. Well, let's hope it's wrapped in there, because it's not in the wrapping paper. Hold on. Okay, so this is the monoball thing, but I believe, oh no, the hardware is right here, because I was like, wait a minute, hold on. Okay, so yeah, the hardware is in here. They didn't forget it, so we're all set. Yeah, because the front of the E92 M3 is kind of wobbly, like when the road like is bumpy, which is the entirety of Massachusetts, or when you try to do like an evasive maneuver and get around something or somebody or whatever. The car kind of feels unsure of itself once it tries to settle. So I believe it's just wear in the front suspension components. I'm not sure when they were changed, if they were changed, because it could be all the original stuff. So hopefully this is all the things need, and it's not something like, I may actually just buy them the front, what do they call it? Front sway bar bushings. I may grab those, because I do have, so I have monoball end links, monoball control arms, and OEM tie rod ends, OEM whatever the other arm is. But so yeah, I didn't go full monoball because I don't want the thing to feel too rough, but I do want like the sway bar to be a little stiffer and these control arms to be a little bit more sure of themselves, so there's better driver feel. So hopefully that will have this car feel a lot better. We're gonna see if we can do that Thursday. I'm probably gonna call Wheezy today, and then if anything, we'll bring the car Thursday morning to Wheezy, get that thing done, and then yeah, either that or the weekend, but I prefer to do it Thursday. And yeah, on my day off. I'd rather do it on my day off. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. So here's the front suspension refresh. Yeah, this is everything. And these are the monoball sway bar end links. Yeah, 2 outer tie rods and everything. So yeah, like you see, this thing should, oh yeah, I forgot there's oil on all this stuff. Should feel like a new car after this. I am about to order the sway bar bushings or whatever it is, the ones that are like that hold the front thing up. I mean, I might as well. I think it's like $50 for the 2 or something like that. I'll probably see if BMW hasn't have them delivered. I don't know, but they'll be here before Thursday, so I'll get that done and ordered, and then this week we'll throw all this stuff on and call it a day. Yeah, hopefully this is what's wrong with the front and it's not something weird. But yeah, I also have to order the drive shaft carrier bushing. I'm gonna go with the upgraded one, but I'm going to order that after we get under the car, and I'm gonna, you know, Jesus Christ, I was about to say something that was crazy. But yeah, I'm going to go down there and see if the prop is secure, and then if there's like any bit of movement that I don't like, I'll just order that. But that should be like $200-300. There is somebody who has one pretty locally, but I don't know if they want to sell it separate from the drive shaft that they have. But if anything, I may just buy it, pay for shipping, take it off, and then sell that drive shaft or just keep it. Or I may use it and get a custom drive shaft made, one piece later on. That could also be a thing. So yeah, I'll figure that part out. So we got the second to last box from FCP Euro. In this box we have Powerflex front sway bar bushings. We're gonna do the bushing stuff in the rear as well eventually, but for right now, the car is not that bad. For the rears, it's just the front feeling unsure. But per usual, we refresh everything like we did on the E36. So here are the two bushings. And then it comes with the grease. So that will make the steering feel a lot more certain, because we do not like the way this thing feels right now. So we're gonna add this to the collection of parts to refresh the front suspension. And yeah, I don't remember if I mentioned it, but we also got a set of wheels. Well, not a set of wheels, a pair of wheels. We're trying to find a pair of fronts that I may have a lead on. Not sure. Possibly. For lucky. Something. But yeah, we are waiting until Thursday. And then we are going to sort out the O2 sensor issues, because the O2 sensors, I just ordered a set for $550 fucking dollars, my god. But I am hoping that the ones that are on the car work. Oh my god, a really tiny baby bunny. Holy shit, that thing was so little and cute. But yeah, I'm hoping that the O2 sensors that are in the car actually do work, but it's simply because they are what do you call it? It's so I believe what the person did was they put the upstream O2 sensors in the trunk and put the downstream ones on the car and plug them in. If that's the case, that will say why this thing is not running properly and why they are kind of confused as to what's going on in the car. So as long as that is the case, we may be able to luck out and return them, because I don't want to spend $550 on sensors. Yeah, so that's pretty much the last thing. And then after that, we'll be doing the tune, because in order to do the tune, you need working O2 sensors. So we'll do the tune. If not the tune, we'll do the DCT flash first, then the tune after, because we're not really trying to spend a lot of money. But that's too late for that. But I also may just be flipping the pair of wheels that I got, because the car looks fine as is, even though I just really am not a fan of this. The reps, I'll just put the tires on, the 255s in the front and the 285s or 295s in the rear. Make the car look a little bit more sporty, because these are 19s, but they look so little on the car. I don't know why. Like, they look like they could be 18s, which is why I don't know how people run 18s, because looking smaller than this is crazy. But yeah, anyhow, I'm gonna figure it out. Unboxing the potential wheels. Has the lip rings on it. This is just so perfect. So many things for me to ship wheels with in the future. Oh, that's actually a fire color.